Say something.
It's yummy, guys. Nice.
Yummy? Homey, homey?
Homey.
Laman loob siya ng baboys, guys. Masarap siya. Madadaanan mo yan papunta ka ng putol na simbahan sa Macau, sa Rowing Church. So, masarap siya, guys. Mura lang siya, almost $60. So, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Ha? 16. Pareho lang pala sa mukhang.
Ha?
Pareho lang sa mukhang. Guys, lamang loob to. Laman loob. Uy, mali! Okay. Lagyan natin spicy. Ang ganda.
Tutok mo nga. Okay. From Macau.
Fresh from the crowd.
Fresh to Macau.
Fresh from Tinae. Isang lamang loob ng baboy from Macau.
Di ba daw kami?
Try.
Oh. Say something.
It's yummy, guys. Nice.
Yummy? Homey, homey?
Homey.